Good afternoon to you, not just Andre. This is a fun little video. I like to throw some of these every once in a while because I know it can get very exhausting when you have a lot of information thrown at you. So I want us to copy a website really fast. Let's look at how we can do that. One of my favorite websites is Wait But Why. Ooh, all caps. I don't know why I did that, but it should still work. If you haven't checked out this website, I highly recommend it. Some great articles on here. But let's say I look at this website and I'm like, this is really cool. I wish I could play around with it. Well, before I showed you View, Developer, and Developer Tools, and we had a nice little pop-up at the bottom of the screen. This time I want to show you View Source. When you click on that, oh boy, you get a whole bunch of stuff. But if you look at the top over here, you see that it's doctype HTML. It's just simple HTML. And this might look really overwhelming. Don't worry, this will make sense to you at the end. But you can see over here that they're commenting this out. There's the HTML tag. And if you scroll down, there's a whole lot of stuff. But simply by copying all this, so I can just select all and copy this. And if I open up Sublime, there you go. And let's just open up a new file over here and paste this. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. I'm going to save. Let's save as, and we'll call it Wait But Why HTML. All right, save it. And now if I go to my desktop and I have Wait But Why HTML, if I drag it into my Google Chrome, look at that. I have Wait But Why all to myself. And I can play around with it and break it and do whatever I want. I can even see what they use to create these little post thingadingies, but a really fun way to play around with websites. Hope that was interesting. See you at the next one. Bye-bye.